Did you know that you can actually use AI to help you with your testimonial collection process? You can't use AI testimonials directly, as customers will see that and probably leave your website anyways. But there's a way to use AI to help you assisting in collecting more testimonials and displaying them as social proof. Let's quickly have a look at how you can do this. So for this, you can use a tool like Famewall.io. So Famewall is actually a testimonial collection software that helps you collect testimonials quickly without the hassle. So you can create a free account inside Famewall. Once you're inside Famewall, you create a wall which contains all your project testimonials, wall of fame pages, and collection pages. So the interesting thing is that once you're inside, you can head over to the collection page as you can see here. And then you have the option to use AI to help you with assisting in collecting testimonials. So you can get to the text testimonial collection page, and here you have the AI Composer Assistance. Once you toggle it, you'll be able to see a simple interface which helps you in collecting testimonials with an assistant. So you can set the questions which you want to ask your customers, and your customers will be able to either record their answers in just a single sentence, or they can type a sentence quickly. Let's see how this actually works. So here, as you can see, Famewall's collection page opens up. Let me send in a text testimonial. Okay, let's try answering it. I struggle to collect testimonials from my customers. Okay, for the solution, let me type in Famewall made it easy for me to collect testimonials, and I was finding it very simple to set it up. I found that the solution was simple and it saved me a lot of time. Okay, now let me generate a draft testimonial. So as you can see, the AI assistant helped me compose a testimonial, and your customer, when they see this, they can edit this testimonial directly. So they can check out any spelling errors if they want, and they can also add sentence. And that's as simple as that. They can confirm the testimonial and simply enter their fields. And these fields are optional, which you can also customize on Famewall, and you quickly click on send testimonial. So your customers will be able to see even a scratch card discount code they can use. And they can also cross-post this review on Google Business, as you can see here. So they simply click on this link and they'll be directed to your Google Business, and they can simply paste this review directly without having to again go through the pain of composing a review. So that's how easy it is to use AI in assisting you with your testimonial collection process. You can also use AI to enable this automatic language page translation such that your testimonial collection page displays in the language of your customers when they see it from a different region. You also have the customer pulse insights, which allow you to understand how your customers are talking about you in your testimonials. So as you can see in this example, I click on what customers like the most to find out what people are saying in the testimonials. And so there are a lot of features which they like, and that's been highlighted in this customer pulse insights. You can use this for your business as well. You can drop down a comment if you have any specific questions. I'll see you soon in a pretty helpful video. Bye.